Assalamu alaikum and hello, welcome again to my channel. Thanks again for subscribing and liking it. Keep doing it and keep sharing it with others. The dish which we are making today is a sweet dish made out of very thin noodles. It's called in English
vermicelli
and in Urdu it's called Sawaiyan. We are making it with milk and a lot of nuts. It's very tasty. You can add less or more sugar the way you want it. I like medium sugar or less sugar. Let's start.
First of all, we need 100 gram vermicelli, 500 milliliter milk, 125 milliliter cream, 125 gram sugar, 3 to 4 teaspoon ghee or butter, almonds and pistachios for garnishing, 4 to 5 cardamoms, Safran Strands, raisins, cashew nuts, pistachios and almonds. You can use as many nuts as you want. Now we will take cashew nuts, pistachios and almonds. We will grind them in a grinder. You can also use mortar and pestle or cut them very finely. This should be the consistency of the nuts. For garnishing, I am using pistachios and almonds. I'll cut them vertically. You can also use silver pepper, golden pepper, or other nuts. Now we will start cooking by melting ghee. You can also use unsalted butter. When ghee melts a little, we will add cardamom inside. It's time to add vermicelli. We have to cook it a little bit. When it changes its color, it means we can progress with the next step. Add sugar gradually. You can use brown or white sugar. Well, and let it cook a little bit. Now we will add the nuts which we grinded before. Add raisins as well. Mix it and cook a little bit. Keep stirring as well. Now add milk, add cream as well, add saffron, keep stirring and let it boil. You can also add more nuts and more milk if you want it thin, but the consistency should be middle thick so that it's not very thick, because it should be a little bit thin. That's how it tastes better. As you see, it has reached a good thickness. We will turn off the heat now, because we have to put it in fridge and then it will get more thick. You can garnish it with almonds and pistachios, or you can use silver pepper or golden pepper. They are very tasty and you can adjust sugar as you want. Enjoy yourself and don't forget to subscribe my channel and share it with others. Thank you.